All right, so this is going to be the Mirage Hotel, soon to be the Hard Rock Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada, room 17031. This is going to be a 2-queen strip view. And let's just take a look at it. When you first walk in, there's a ton of space here. We got a mirror here on the left-hand side. There is some drawers here on the right. We do have a closet here that if we open up, looks like we've got the safe there. The lights come on automatically when we open that up. We do have an ironing board, a bunch of coat hangers. We've got a luggage rack down here with a bag that I've already placed there. Continuing on in, we do have a bathroom with a single sink. We do have a toilet there. And then this is just going to be a standard bathtub with a shower head there. So nothing fancy, nothing like that other room that we did previously, but should do the trick. Over here we've got 2 queen beds. There is a power outlet here, but it's going to be interesting. The other room actually didn't have power anywhere here by the bed rests, like where you would actually sleep. So we'll have to see if there's any power over here. Again, this looks like it can be an adjoining room. We have some very expensive amenities that we can buy from the minibar there. We've got 3 drawers, fairly good sized drawers. Weird shape there with a cutout. Don't know if you can see that, but pretty deep. Got a television, and we've got that same desk with 2 chairs. Similar, we've got HDMI and a couple of video hookups there. We've got 2 regular power outlets as well as 2 USBs. We'll look out the window here in a minute. We do have an air conditioner over here. Thermostat's going to be on the wall. There's not power here, nor do I see any power there. Let's come over here. This might be the biggest flaw of this hotel because, yeah, there's no power here. That's just a switch. Let me see if I can see down there. It looks like most of those are taken up. Maybe there's one that's available. Anyway, 2 more drawers that are going to be over there. Let's see if there's power over here, but I don't think that there is. There is not. So if you're someone who prefers to like charge your phone next to your bed, this hotel is not going to work for you. The artwork is fine. Like, it's nothing to write home about. But I guess what we really need to see is the strip view. And there it is. We're looking at Venetian over here, Palazzo in the middle. We've got Treasure Island there. The rest of Mirage is here. There's the dome where kind of like that little garden is in the lobby area. And then this area here is going to be the volcano. Anyway, on the surface, again, it looks like the room's going to be fine. We'll kind of see how the rest of this trip plays out. Haven't had really good luck with rooms here lately, but let's just see how it goes. Let me know if you would stay here. Let me know if you stayed here down in the comments below. Till next time, we'll see you.